So I'm gonna let this soak. I have tried to cover the large tub and the pink stuff as much as I possibly could. And you know from my prior experience with the shower that I'm gonna let it set for a while and work its magic and see how well it does. We will come back and check at a later time. We'll rinse and then I will let you see the results before we decide if we're gonna move on with another coat. Okay, I have rinsed off and removed the cleaner. So as you can see, it cleaned it up relatively well. There is still a few areas that I wish, like maybe I need to try to find some more specifically bleach for those grout lines. And there is some kind of a sticky glue stain there that I was kind of hoping it would take off. I don't know, maybe when you get sticky stuff on fiberglass, it doesn't come off. I'm not sure. But I think the pink stuff did clean it really well. You can see it's shiny and clean, no dirt residue. So overall, I am pleased with.
First of all, what went through my mind is how stupid am I to actually volunteer for this? It was unbelievably painful.
And that would remove that stain a little more. I usually let peroxide soak in that too, but it did not. However, it did still clean it relatively well. Still pleased with the cleaner itself. Look at my decals. I love the way they look. That was a little difficult because of the extreme bubble on the washer that I didn't take into account. So it's not as perfect as I would like, but I love the way they look at this point in time. I only paid like $3 for them on eBay, so it was a great deal either way you go.